All right, crypto enthusiasts, buckle up. First up, we're diving deep into the explosive public spat between Trump's CFTC nominee Brian Quintenz and Gemini co-founder Tyler Winklevoss. Quintenz is dropping bombshell text messages, claiming he was misled and that his confirmation was paused because he refused to play ball. This is high-stakes political drama with massive implications for the crypto world. Next, we're tracking the meteoric rise of Gemini. The Winklevoss twins are gearing up for a massive IPO, and they've just boosted their price range, aiming to raise hundreds of millions. Could Gemini's valuation soar past $3 billion? We've got all the details on their ambitious plans and what it means for the market. And speaking of Gemini, things are getting cosmic. Our next segment delves into the Gemini daily horoscope. What do the stars have in store for you? We'll break down the astrological forecast with insights from Vedic astrologer Acharya Neeraj Dhankher to see if it's fights or fortune on the horizon. From political showdowns to IPO surges and astrological insights, this episode of ChatGPT Insights has it all. Don't miss a single second of the action. Make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on so you never miss an update. Bombshell texts reveal political showdown. Brian Quintenz, President Trump's nominee for the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, has just gone nuclear, releasing text messages between himself and Gemini co-founder Tyler Winklevoss. This unprecedented move comes after Quintenz's confirmation process stalled, and he's now claiming he was misled and that his nomination was put on ice directly from the White House. The texts, shared on social media, appear to show a tense exchange from July 24th, where Tyler Winklevoss inquired about Gemini's complaint filed with the CFTC's Inspector General regarding enforcement attorneys. Quintenz asserts these messages clearly illustrate what Winklevoss and Gemini were seeking from him, something he refused to promise. He further alleges that after this exchange, Winklevoss contacted the president, leading to the pause in his confirmation. This is a jaw-dropping development for a nominee in the midst of a federal confirmation battle, especially given the White House's uncharacteristically vague reasons for halting the process earlier. Winklevoss had previously voiced strong opposition to Quintenz's nomination, citing concerns over his proposed CFTC budget increases for crypto oversight, his views on developer liability, and alleged attempts to influence the CFTC for prediction market firm Kalshi. Quintenz's public statement, however, suggests Winklevoss was primarily upset that Quintenz wouldn't commit to criticizing the CFTC's enforcement actions against Gemini, which were settled earlier this year. Quintenz stated he would ensure a fair review and that any response to Gemini's complaint should come from a fully confirmed chair. The crypto community, a significant portion of which had backed Quintenz's nomination, is now watching closely. Will this public battle derail Quintenz's nomination, or is this just the beginning of a major crypto regulatory shakeup? Stick around as we break down Gemini's explosive IPO plans next. Gemini IPO price range soars, targeting massive raise. Get ready, because Gemini is making waves in the financial markets. The crypto exchange, co-founded by Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss, has just significantly upped its IPO price range, now aiming for the stars with a potential $435 million raise at the top end. This is a huge jump from their initial target, signaling immense investor confidence. Initially, Gemini planned to raise around $317 million. Now, they're pushing the upper limit to $19 per share, a move that could see them bring in a staggering $435 million. This aggressive upward adjustment reflects the growing demand and excitement surrounding Gemini's public debut. The Winklevoss twins have been vocal about their vision for Gemini as the super app for the crypto frontier, and this IPO is a major step towards realizing that future. They've stated their belief that digital assets are transforming transactions and value storage, positioning Gemini at the forefront of this evolution. The market reaction has been electric. With Goldman Sachs, Cantor, and Morgan Stanley leading the underwriting, Gemini's shares are set to trade on the Nasdaq. This IPO follows the successful public offering of stablecoin Issuer Circle, which also saw its share price surge dramatically on its first day of trading. Investors are clearly eager to get a piece of the burgeoning crypto exchange market, and Gemini appears poised to deliver. But the Gemini story doesn't end there. We're also looking at what the stars might have in store for the Gemini sign next. Gemini eyes $3 billion plus valuation as IPO share price rockets. Talk about a valuation surge. American crypto exchange Gemini, helmed by the Winklevoss twins, has dramatically increased its expected initial public offering share price. They're now eyeing a range of $24.26, a move that could catapult the firm's valuation north of a massive $3 billion when it hits the market. This updated price range, detailed in a September 9th SEC filing, represents a significant upward revision from their initial anticipation of $17.19 per share. Gemini plans to offer 16,666,667 common shares of GEMI at this new, higher price. In a letter attached to the filing, founders Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss emphasized their belief in the crypto frontier and Gemini's role in building a super app for a future where digital assets are fundamentally changing how we transact and store value. Their ambition is clear: to position Gemini as a key player in this ongoing revolution. The market is buzzing with this news. Gemini's IPO, set to trade on the Nasdaq, is being underwritten by major players like Goldman Sachs, Cantor, and Morgan Stanley. The firm has also reserved a portion of shares for a directed share program and entered into a separate agreement with Nasdaq itself to sell $50 million worth of shares. This strategic move indicates strong confidence from both Gemini and the financial institutions involved, especially following the success of Circle's IPO earlier this summer, which saw its stock more than triple on opening day. From Wall Street ambitions to cosmic predictions, what does the universe have in store? We're checking the Gemini daily horoscope next. Gemini horoscope: Mercury's influence on fights or fortune. Curious about what the stars have aligned for those born under the Gemini sign? Today, September 11, 2025, Mercury is set to play a significant role, potentially influencing whether your day is filled with conflict or comes with a side of good fortune. Vedic astrologer Acharya Neeraj Dhankher offers insights into navigating these celestial currents. Acharya Neeraj Dhankher, founder and CEO of Astrologer, brings over 29 years of experience in astrological counsel to individuals and businesses. His mission is to empower people through guidance from the stars. For Geminis today, the position of Mercury suggests a dynamic day where communication and decisions could lead to either heated disputes or unexpected windfalls. It's crucial to be mindful of your words and actions, as Mercury's energy can amplify both positive and negative outcomes. Understanding these influences can help you steer your day towards a more favorable path. This astrological forecast is part of a broader look at celestial influences, offering a unique perspective beyond the daily news cycle. While the crypto world is abuzz with IPOs and political drama, there's always room to explore the cosmic influences that might shape our personal lives. The alignment of Mercury offers a chance for Geminis to either address long-standing issues head-on or capitalize on opportunities that arise from clear communication. We've covered political battles, market-shaking IPOs, and celestial forecasts. What a ride! Don't go anywhere. We've got a lightning round recap and a full call to action coming up. And that's a wrap on today's ChatGPT Insights. We saw Brian Quintenz and Tyler Winklevoss in a very public dispute, Gemini gearing up for a massive IPO potentially valued over $3 billion, and a look at the Gemini horoscope for September 11th. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more cutting-edge AI and crypto news, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and follow us on all our social media channels to stay connected. We'll see you in the next one.